Hi, this is your Michael. Today I brought you the valve spring compressor from BGS technique. If you want to quickly and easily remove valves, take the valve spring compressor from BGS technique. Down here we have the contact surface for the valve. Up here you have the tensioning device for the valve spring. There are two different sizes that you can select for your individual situation. Now that you have set the correct height, please make sure that the contact surface is just under the valve. Then you can use the lever to tension the spring. With the help of a magnet, we can remove the valve keys. After we have removed the valve keys, we release the compressor again. Then you put one hand under the valve and take out the spring above. And then you can remove the valve. I'm totally convinced of this tool from BGS technique. Your BGS Michael.